everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Jasmine, and for those that do, welcome back. So today I am going to be talking and reviewing the Sephora Favorites Summer Must-Have set. I know this set has been all the rage on TikTok, and I love these type of sets. I've done other videos on them. I will have them in the cards, but since I got my hands on this, of course I had to do a review. So if you want to see more, make sure to stay tuned and also subscribe. So this set has been so popular on TikTok. Everybody just calls it the pink set. It is so hard to find. It was available in the US first, and then in Canada it sold out instantly. I know my store, it took a while for it to come in, but I went on a random Tuesday and I was able to get it. They only got 3 of them in and I got it. So I was really pumped. So this set has how many products? 7 products. So it is $45 Canadian with $122 value, which is really exciting. Something different about this set. So something a little bit different with this set is usually they come in a cloth makeup bag. So it's interesting that this is now just a plastic bag and they're not coming out with bags. I don't really care. I have so many makeup bags. I really don't need any more. But let's open it up, and I want to talk about each of the products that are in here. Of course, I ripped this open weird. Okay, when you open this up, wow, it has a lot of scents happening. But anyway, the first item in here is the Laura Mercier setting powder. So this is tiny, and perfect for traveling. So this is just the translucent. I actually use the almond, yes, or the honey kind, and I love it. But I actually did a breakdown of the calculations of how much the different items cost. So this one would have been $6.45. So really this is a deluxe sample. It is really tiny, but I'm a huge fan of this powder. I actually noticed such a huge difference. I'm actually wearing it today, and I've had my makeup on for a really long time, and I'm super tired today, so it's on my under eyes. The next item is from Grande Lash. It's the Peptide Lash Enhancing Serum. I'm currently using another one, but I think it will be used up soon, so I'm really excited to try this because I find lash serums work. So this one is one of the bigger bang for your buck items of this bag, so it was about $23.50 for this tiny little product. But I'm really excited to try it because I don't own anything from Grande Lash, and I've heard really great things about the products. The next item, this is like the best item in the bag. This is something I already own. I got it in another kit, so it was in kind of the summer one they had last year. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Party All Night, Stay All Day. I love this setting spray. Your makeup does not budge with it. It just leaves it perfect, and I find like even oils don't come through. I don't know like what sorcery is in this, but it says it will hold for, what does it say, like 16 hours or something, and it definitely does. So this actually in Canadian is $29, and I paid $45 for the bag, so this makes it worth it alone. I really can't say anything bad about that setting spray. It is so good. So the next item, this is from Too Faced, and I feel like I actually might be the only person that hasn't tried this, but this is the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. And what color is this in? I don't know, but it's kind of like a holographic one. It almost reminds me of like Buxom Dolly, but this is actually the mini, and it's also one of the bigger value items in the bag. So this is actually $28 if you were to go buy it. So already I have paid my bag back and more, but I'm really excited to try this because I love a plumpy lip. I don't have any fillers and I don't want any, so that's what I'm going to be using. And the next item, this is another item that is so good for this price point. So this is the Natasha Denona Cheek Duo. So you get this beautiful peachy blush and this really nice highlighter. I actually don't own anything from Natasha Denona, so this is my first item that I own from the brand, so I'm really excited to try it. And that peach looks so perfect for summer. The packaging is really pretty. I do enjoy the rose gold, and that is $25. So this bag is just so good. I do like the selection, I think, too. Like, it's universal, I find, this time. Sometimes I find the items are catered for, like, lighter skinned people. But the next item, we're almost at the end here, is, I already have this, and I think I did actually get this as a deluxe sample, but this is from Sol de Janeiro. It's the Beija Flor Elasta Cream. So I really do like this scent. I have the spray. It's not my favorite, but it is more of like a subtle smell. So I'll use it if I don't want to be like, bam, smell me. But I still want to smell good. So I actually do have the cream, but I haven't tried it. So now that I have a little backup, I will probably use it this summer. And this sample would be $9.66. So that's not too bad. And see what is left in here. So the final product, let me just take a look. Yes, I've talked about everything, is the Anastasia Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. I heard so much about this on TikTok, but I haven't tried it. I've always really enjoyed Anastasia brow products, so I really want to try this because the bushy brows are really in, and my brows are really thick, so I think this would work really well. This sample would have cost $9.30. It's pretty substantial too, so I'm really excited to try it because I've not tried that product. But that was everything I got in this Sephora summer must-have set. Overall, I'm really impressed with the value. I think it's really good. There's lots of really interesting products here and lots of holy grails that I will use, again, like the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I will link it down below, but this bag is always sold out, but hopefully you can get it in store, or maybe they will restock it. I am just so lucky that I was able to get it because this one is going so hot, and I think it's because there are just so many good products in it. I'll also link all the products individually as well in case you want to try one of them out. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love to know, were you able to get your hands on it? So let me know what product you're excited to try. But I thank you so much for your love and support. If you're not subscribing, hit the button down below and make sure to check out my other social media channels. But I thank you, and I hope you have a great day.